Welcome to Mr. Dougherty's classroom, where cookies teach coins and kindness powers every plan. In the Cookie Club, we spend with care, save with pride, and share with heart.
Today's word is spend.
Mr. Dougherty, what does spend mean?
Zay'Li, spending means using your money to get something you want or need.
Oh, so not just anything.
Exactly. Smart choices lead to a bright future.
How do I know if it's smart?
If you spend on something that helps you learn, that's smart.
But what if I spend on something I only want right now?
Then you might not have money for something better later.
I want the toy, but I also want to save for my bike.
A book for 2 coins or a bike for 3? She checked her coins and she didn't have enough for both.
I have this coin, but I don't know if I should spend it.
Smart spenders always start by counting their coins. Before we spend, we check the price. 1 coin, 2 coin, then we decide.
What are you going to spend it on?
Like a book.
That's smart thinking.
I bought my book today because I want to learn how to spend money.
That's a smart spend decision.
Great job learning spend today. Follow for next week's money word. From my heart to all the children all over the world, and to Man who inspires it all. Lola's here. Keep learning.